Okay, students, now we will discuss what is the difference between balanced force and unbalanced force. Okay, so what is balanced force? You just see, if two or more forces acting on an object are said to be balanced forces if the net effect produced by all of them on the object is zero. Okay, two forces are said to be balanced force if the net force produced on the object is zero. What does it mean? You see, suppose you have one object. Okay, in this direction you are applying 5 Newton force, in the opposite direction you are applying 5 Newton force. Both forces are opposite to each other. Okay, this is 5 Newton force in this direction and this is also 5 Newton force in this direction. Now you suggest me whether the object will move or it will continue at rest position. Obviously the body will continue at a rest position. Okay, if same amount of forces will apply to any object in different direction or opposite direction, then the effect of the forces will cancel. Okay, in the same manner you can take the example. Suppose this one is our object. Okay, this one is our object. On the object I am applying force in this direction and another body is also applying force in this direction. Okay, and both the amount of forces are same. In both the direction the amount of force is same. Now suggest, you can see whether the object is moving or not. The object is not moving. The object is remain its position or continuing its position. Okay, like this you can say these forces are known as balanced forces if their effect will cancel with each other and the body will continue its rest position. Now come to unbalanced force. If the net effect produced by two or more forces on an object is not zero. Okay, then the forces are said to be unbalanced forces. Okay, that means if any object is there, both direction different forces suppose applying, it is 5 Newton force, it is 7 Newton force. Both are opposite to each other but their value is not same. Okay, that means net force equal to 7 Newton minus 5 Newton. I already told you if the forces applied to any object is opposite to each other direction wise, then you have to subtract capital to small or bigger to the smaller, you have to subtract. If both are same, then 5n minus 5n here 0. The net force is 0 in this case. In the case of balanced it is 0. Okay, but here it is 7n minus 5n, so the answer is 2n. The body will move in this direction having the force of 2 Newton. This type of forces are known as unbalanced forces. These are not balanced. Okay, that means their effect will not cancel. The body will not continue its rest position. The body will move. Okay, so these are the examples of balanced and unbalanced forces. In our next class we will discuss about Newton's first law, second law and third law accordingly one by one. Okay.